What is good, Boom Crew? It's your girl, Any Boom Fanny, and I'm here with the Meat Mills. Guys, I'm gonna do a braid takedown video. I don't know when. I've had these braids maybe for, I don't know. It's probably been a month only. But I have a lot of new growth. So I'm going to do a braid takedown video. I'm going to let you guys know what I've been using to help grow my hair and keep my hair healthy while it's in these old ass braids. I'm sorry if this looks a little washed out. I'm using a front facing camera. It's just a bad habit of mine. You remember this dress? This is my old whole dress. Used to go on my little dates with this dress, honey. So anyway, I'm feeling a little anxiety right now. I'm trying to work through it. I'm trying to talk through it, trying to get through it. I'm feeling a little anxiety, not because of anything is wrong. I know nothing is wrong, but I drink a cup of Starbucks coffee, and I haven't been drinking strong coffee since this whole quarantine thing. So being that I just drank that coffee, it's kind of got my heart like pounding crazy. Anyways, I just ordered some more jars for my hair crack. I only ordered 5 more because I think I got like 5 there. My top sellers is my hair crack oil and my rice water bar. My rice water bar is out of stock, and I'm waiting for the lye so I can make more of it, because the lye, where I used to get the lye from, that's LYE, where I used to get the lye from, they're no longer selling it. And I'm used to that brand, that type of lye. It was high quality lye for a great price. So I did not want to try to mix it up and get another brand, and then the rice bar doesn't come out the way that it should. I'm not playing when it comes to the quality of the shampoo rice bar. So I found the same brand, I found the same company. Unfortunately, it's not for the same price, so it's gonna cost me more. But I gotta make another batch. You know, I gotta keep going. A lot of people have complaints about black businesses. Oh, they don't have stuff, they be selling out of stuff. But people need to understand, if you're doing something by yourself and you're a small company and you're using your 9-to-5 money to fund your business, it's not as easy as just, you know, 1, 2, 3. It's not until the money really starts coming in where you can have a steady flow. So my apologies to anybody who keeps checking the Etsy shop looking for the rice water bar and it's not there, and it's taking me so long. This is not an easy thing to maintain. So I'm really trying. So I'm sorry if y'all feel that's unprofessional, that I don't have it in stock as often as I should, but that's why I do pre-order. I tell people all the time, listen, it's not ready. When I do make it, I make it and then I put it up for pre-order, so that way when it is ready, it ships out. You don't have to worry about it being sold out if you get it while it's in pre-order. So anyway, and I ordered more of these bottles. These are for the lavender rice water spray. What time is it? Okay, I'm gonna have to clock out of work soon. So yeah, I've been using, I have a scrub, I mentioned it a while ago. I call it Pousse scrub. That's Pousse or SE, I don't know. It's a Creole or French word. I think it means push, but it also sounds like the word pussy, and y'all know I love using that fucking word. So I do have a scrub for that, but I haven't put it on the website or anything like that because I think I want to reformulate it. So that's what I feel has been making my bikini line texture soft and everything. But I saw a girl post about using this on your bikini line to lighten any hyperpigmentation. So I don't really have that issue to the point where it's really noticeable, but I just want my thing to be, you know, I just want the skin there to be in pristine condition. So I'm going to try this on my bikini line and see if it lightens that area even more. I got my son some wave grease. I could have made him some, but I didn't feel like it. Yeah, I could have made him some with some beeswax and some oils, or would have made him a pomade. And then I use Muslim oils as deodorant, so I got 2 of these. The flavor that I get is Michelle Obama. So if y'all have a place that sells Muslim oils, see if they have something called Michelle Obama. Oh my God. When I walk, this be under my arm. Okay, when I walk past people, they be like, you smell so good. I be like, thank you. I don't use deodorant, boo. Crusty, musty. So, and I got me some eyebrow pencils. I hope they're the right color, but I use the ones from the beauty supply for $1. And that's how I get these beautiful brows. But I also use it with the, in conjunction with the MAC. I forgot what color it is. It's like a spoolie, but it's like a liquid eyebrow thing. So I shape and do my eyebrows with this, and then I go over it to give it a more natural look with the MAC thing. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you that. So, oh, my anxiety, child, y'all don't know. I can't say y'all don't know. Who's to say y'all don't have anxiety? A lot of people have anxiety. Especially now. Look at this cat just looking out the window like a human. My son went to his father. What is today? Today is Thursday. He went to his father Tuesday morning. He's coming back on Sunday. He was here for a whole month before that. So he's gonna come back on Sunday. So he's not here. My boyfriend is at work, and I'm just here by myself. I'm a bit tired. I've been working on my bag. God damn, what the fuck? Oh, that's the scissors. So here's the lining. It's gonna have a red lining. This is gonna be the bags, y'all. So the lining is almost done. I hate doing lining. That's what's taking me so long, because I got a few bags made. So this one, the lining is in. The lining is a little different. I did the self fabric on this. But the lining is all the way in on this one. So this one just has to get the straps. So when I put the strap on this, I'll put it up on my Black Rose Society handbag page. So yeah, I just made these with the reflective strip and used something natural and then something like, you know, inorganic and organic. So that was the concept for this bag line. I got a red one, hold on. So just gotta get the lining as well. So I hope that y'all like these when I put them up. Even if they don't sell, I'm not gonna stop, baby. Was gonna close that business down, but I'm not. I ain't really talking about nothing, so I'm about to get up off this camera. All the time. All the blood clot time. Yo, y'all, I want to get... Did I tell y'all that I wanted to get... Y'all know the red wig that I have, Maria. My redemption wig. Damn. Alright. Because everything is burning down and everything is going crazy right now. Because yeah, that's what y'all... Okay. So, my redemption wig, Maria, the red synthetic one, it looks really nice on me. But it's so fucking hot because it's synthetic. So I'm noticing the difference in my black human hair wig and then when I wear my synthetic wig. I'm like sweating like a fucking pig when I wear that synthetic wig. But I get so many compliments on it because it lays flat. It's nice and long. I made sure I dipped it in hot water so it don't look too crazy, but it gets tangled fast because it's synthetic. But I want to get a human hair version of that, and I've been seeing some okay prices, so I'm just going to save up for it. I have to pay for my son. My son failed one of his computer classes, so he has to take that as a summer class. So I have to pay for that. That's $300. So that was my wig money, but what can I do? That's my child. And my phone is fucked up badly. The screen is messed up. The ink is running out. I can't, the screen doesn't respond. I gotta keep tapping it in order to get the phone on. And I'll be honest with y'all, I'm going through it. I'm going through it, but I'm keeping my head above water. Oh, God help me. But anyways, I hope y'all in good spirits. Enough of me complaining. I mean, I just keep looking at myself because my eyebrows are looking like, you know, whatever. And the sun is shining for me. Are you dumb? Let me get out of here and go meet the sun outside. All right? Who is it, girl? Boom, shakalaka. Let me stop. That's what I look like right now, but that's okay. You know what I'm saying? So, what is today? Today is Saturday, June 26th, I believe it is. I am heading to a barbecue in somebody's backyard or something like that. It's not too far from me. Yeah, me and Risa and Amber are supposed to link up and then go to this place. If y'all looking at me like what's going on, this is last night's face. I took a shower and everything last night and was trying to wipe around my eyebrows, and they look better than this because my boyfriend was here and I didn't want him to see me without my eyebrows, even though he's seen me 1,000 times without my eyebrows. But last night I just wanted my eyebrows on. So anyway, I just finished packing I didn't pack 2 orders. I made the 2 orders. Oh, it's raining. I made the 2 orders. Hold on, y'all. Sorry about this crazy funky ass lighting. Y'all know me in this front view camera. So I had one person order the lavender rice water leave-in spray. This is not a leave-in conditioner. This is a leave-in treatment, basically. So after you wash your hair and you have deep conditioned it, whatever, you would spray this on it, and then you could put your leave-in and whatever. But this is more of a to leave in your hair for the benefits of rice water, basically, which is curl definition, thickening, straightening, helping with the length retention. So yeah, I have these for sale, guys. I had some labels that I was using, but you couldn't see the words clearly, so I'm gonna have to just suck it up and either 1, invest in a label machine, or 2, I'm gonna have to start paying for somebody to do my labels, and I am not looking forward to that because that costs money. Either way, it costs money. This is the hair crack. It is in an 8-ounce bottle. There's no dropper, and I did that because if you want to put this in another bottle with the pour spout or dilute it with another oil, whatever you want to do. So this is the concentrated mixture of what I call hair crack, and it's up to you whether you just want to use it straight like this or dilute it, but you get a lot. To me, in my opinion, that's a lot. A little goes a long way. You shouldn't be saturating your scalp with it. She also ordered, I call this gin tum. That's ginger and turmeric and neem leaf. I put some of the neem leaf on top just for aesthetic purposes. And this is basically this is a cleansing and brightening bar for the face, smoothing, cleansing, and brightening. And being that her order was over $50, she got a free cuticle oil. This is 15 milliliters. It smells like roses, and it actually has a real rose petal in it and some gold leaf, you know, just to give it that fancy look. So you could use it as a cuticle oil, or you know how your hands get ashy right there, you know, just carry it in your bag if you want it for a hand oil or something like that. But it's for the cuticles and the toes. So please go shop my little Etsy shop and get you something, okay? Yeah, so I did this. I'm going to pack these and do the labeling tomorrow. I'm also going to make my rice water shampoo bars tomorrow, and I'm going to put them up so they're going to be pre-order. So I don't want to hear nothing about, do you have any? No, they sell out when they're in pre-order. You have to order them while they're in pre-order. Sorry, I cannot speak clearly today. I don't know what the fuck country I come from today. My English is not too good. Okay? So, yeah, that's that. So basically, I don't know. Maybe I'll get back with y'all when I'm putting on my wig. I'm gonna put Maria on today. I'm gonna flat iron her, put her on, and I'm not sure what I'm wearing, but it's probably something you've seen me wear before because my clothes be on repeat, boo boo. I wear my clothes to the threads. Yeah, I don't understand. Even when people are famous, how you just wear something one time? Are you dumb? I mean, are you taking it and donating it to people who would need the clothes? Or you just have it in your closet? I don't understand the mindset behind that. I mean, it's easy for me to say because I'm not rich. But if you think that I would buy $1,000 plus jacket and then wear it on one time, you got me fucked up. All right? We here. We don't hear no music.
Listen, we don't even go to
My eyes are
thank
yellow.
you. Like, we're not even doing that.
This shirt is from Lovely Wholesale. And it says boom. This is a... No, it's not my friend. It's all of... Don't do that. Stop.
I'm fucking dead.
Amber.
Oh, my God.
Okay, this the crazy aunt. This the cool aunt. This the bougie aunt.
I'm bougie?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, there's no music. Guys, hold on.
No, but we can walk right now.
Yasha! Where the music at?
I was playing.
Hi, everyone.
How you doing?
We thought we were at the wrong place.
Nah, cause it was raining and then we went inside.
Oh,
How
okay.
y'all doing? Look at y'all.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
You didn't though. How you doing?
Hello.
How you doing?
That's it. It's on, bro.
It's on?
Let me introduce. That's Rhonda, Maisie,
Rhonda, Maisie.
Ethan.
Don't call me my brothers. You're gonna do that. You're gonna do that. I saw it.
No, I was gonna say Ethan and David.
Hi, David.
This is the squad.
Nice to meet you guys.
I'm Annie.
I'm Risa.
We're not gonna remember. I'm just letting you know.
Taking a picture. You documenting?
I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
So, say hi.
How you doing? I'm happy you did this after I got my hair cut.
I should have did it before.
This is a couple of hours ago. You got like anything?
Oh, well, we can put up because, you know, we sent this invite. We want to show some love and
I
respect.
appreciate
That's
that.
all.
100%.
You're gonna need more as soon.
Yeah.
So you're gonna need more.
Yeah, please do, man. Appreciate you.
So, yeah, it got rained out, huh? That's what happened? Oh,
Nah, I just think. Yeah, I'm gonna say.
maybe later when it gets dark.
We thought your students were gonna be here.
Nah, I'm gonna.
I was like, girl, if them
Shit,
kids is there.
Drinking with my students on deck. I don't really know how to respond to that.
Handle that. Right.
No, you just joking.
I'm like, real nigga, what up? Real nigga, what up? If you ain't about that murder game, that pussy nigga, shut up.
Hey guys, I'm back in the house, but I didn't really record like that when I was out there because I was DJing. I always get designated randomly to be the DJ, and I don't know what the fuck that's about, but it's like everywhere I go, people just volunteer me to be the DJ. So that's what I ended up doing. So I couldn't really record like that. I gotta wash my hands. I'm over here touching my face. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I don't know. So, excuse me. I know my eyes are crazy. I was crying because I was having a conversation with Risa about something that's bothering me, and it's just, I don't know, y'all. I don't know what to do regarding the situation. But, things will work itself out. What's meant to be will be, you know? If you understand what I'm saying. I just don't understand why people have to seal things to the point where you can't even open it. Whew, it is hot, honey. It is hot. I met some really cool people there, y'all. I met some beautiful people. Why do I have a piece of gum? I mean, why did he put a piece of candy in here? It's my son's Black Lives Matter shirt. So I got him a shirt. Thank you guys for watching. I don't know if this is the end of the video or what, but yeah, whatever. Morning, afternoon, good night. Today is Sunday the 28th. It is Pride weekend. To my understanding, I don't think the parade is happening today, but people are still going to go down there. So of course, Lisa Gaylord asked want to go. I think she's bringing Chantel. You guys seen her some years back. I think she's coming. I'm not sure. Karima, the girl I call my twin, is supposed to meet up with us, and we're gonna go down there and chill. I got this same dress on that y'all saw me wear. Just not in the mood. I'm not in a bad mood, but I'm in this real like ugh, and that's because I went to that barbecue yesterday and I had a couple of drinks. I've been drinking water, but my energy is just gone. So I'm gonna not drink as much today, but I don't necessarily want to be a Debbie Downer neither. So I'm just gonna have a mellow time. But Lisa said she turned up already, so I'm already rolling my eyes. My skin looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. I made this face scrub for myself. Of course, I'm my own test dummy, so I made this face scrub for myself, and it's really like I could feel my skin feel even softer with it than what it usually does. Yeah, I even feel like going all out and putting on a new outfit and all that extra shit. I'll put the same old dress on. I do not care. Y'all know, y'all see me on repeat all the time. But yeah, I gotta put my wig on. Of course, I'm not going out looking like this. But I'm contemplating whether I should keep these braids in any longer, because it's only probably been a month and my new growth is maybe more than an inch. If it's not it's maybe an inch and a quarter in some places or an inch in other places. So my hair usually grows 3/4 of an inch in a month. So yeah, I've been using my products. Of course, I don't take any hair vitamins. I stopped taking the collagen. It's been maybe like 2 months, or maybe over 2 months since I stopped taking the collagen. I only do that just so my body won't become immune to it. So I'm going to start taking it again. So I'm going to see how much more hair growth I can get because I am supposed to way back when be at waist length, but I've cut my hair. Y'all saw my blued out video. I've cut my hair. Yeah, I was cutting here, cutting there, and then in that blued out video, I cut like 1 inch off, or maybe more than that. I don't know. But yeah, so that's the plan for today. So my next clip is probably going to be Lisa Loudass. Probably we're going to get on the train, of course. I'm hungry, that's what it is. Speaking of the devil, I'll be back.
It's a lady. Oh, her hair is sick. I love that shit.
Alright, calm down.
This is ripped the fuck out though. She wildin'.
You know she a wild one, just how she
Yeah.
walking, right?
She wild in these streets, but I like that shit, yo. I just want to see her face.
This is a bird.
Bitch, I'm definitely gonna need some more juice. Let me make this bitch buy some juice. Cause Helen gonna drink this shit with me.
Ooh, bald head, whole shit.
Y'all have it in your head, right? I was like, yo, as soon as I see her, I'm gonna sing this song. So I was like, as soon as I see Karima, I'm like, Karima, get it, bitch. Let me tie this together with it. Damn. That's how you do that ghetto shit.
Can I get a 550 iced tea?
Lost it on here.
It's on your foot?
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. You want me to wipe it?
No, it's
Like,
okay.
I got hand sanitizer. You can't touch your feet.
I'm gonna kill this bitch before the night is up, yo.
Oh, it's still on. I forgot you still
No
had
hay
that
te
shit.
quiere algo.
Dice
Scratch
bald
it,
head,
mucho.
whole shit.
Lisa? Helen of Troy. Okay, you see that? Come on, y'all being gay. Yeah, we waiting on bald head whole shit. Got Karima, twin.
Mad annoying.
She hung up on us.
Yeah, she always hanging out.
She heard me say that she hung up.
Wait, she said she 3 stops away?
Yeah.
Yeah, she 3 stops away. So
Say that she hung
Girl
up.
coming soon.
right.
Soon come.
We on 14th. This would usually be packed. Y'all have seen how this shit would look.
Right?
This shit is empty. But that's okay. We came to slay.
Like,
Look at this one.
I jumped in her shirt.
I can't. Bald head whole shit has arrived. Looking fly.
I love you. Love the vibe. I'm going white.
Are you gonna go white? That shit is fly.
last year, sis. Had makeup on all this shit, the whole shit.
Look at bald head whole shit. Look at my twin, y'all. We both brown skin, baby.
Yes. Brown skin girl.
Don't matter. Because
Shave that shit. Shave that.
hey, she like, can I pay? Everything.
No, it's fine. You look good. Thank you.
We got friendly business. Friendly business.
Not that funny.
Look who's saying that. The one that looks the sweetest out of all of us. No, she's lying. Look at her stickers, guys. They are so cute.
So cute, Helen.
I can't.
Fuck that bitch though.
I'm gonna wait.
Nobody knows.
I fuck with him on the low.
Still
chill the fuck out here, boy.
Why you didn't tell me that?
I didn't know.
What?
I didn't know.
Quarantine, baby. Where we going, y'all? I'm hungry.
We gotta go towards the food area. This is not the food area.
I think the food area is along that strip right there. So you want to go back up? You want to cross and then go back up? Do you want to cross right here and then go back up instead of walking right back there?
Yo, let me ask you, don't you feel like this hot?
Not really. I don't know what people think that.
I don't know why either.
Tirado del mal. Y ahí sale todo lo que
You don't know.
The pit, this is our pier because this is our store.
Oh,
Back door, so this is our pier.
okay. Thank you.
You welcome. Right here,
Oh, yeah. We belong here. Happy Pride. I know. Every year they do some shit. Every year they do some shit. That's fucked up. No.
Yes, baby, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
He did that shit so smooth. Right. Then we can't even sit on the benches.
Thank you. Right. I'm a sponsor for two. Pay attention, motherfucker. I know every year I say it, so I know.
They didn't even let us sit on the benches.
So what's fun? Who be this kid?
Yo, how you work this phone? Yes, that's it? Okay.
Back will come fatter to me phone. Who dying, bitch? Yeah, you dying. No starting business over here. Work that bussy, work that bussy, work that bussy, work that. Yes, auntie. Yes. Give it to them. Give it to them. For the God, and look at his. Oh my God. Yeah, there we go, Bill Boo. Yes, baby. Be safe. There we fucking go. There we go. She know how to move it. Little booties matter, baby. Little fucking matter. Hey. There we go. Little booties matter. Little booties matter. Little booties matter. Yo, y'all, it rained on us. Rain on me.
We gotta get across the street. It's over here.
Come the fuck in.
Oh, shit.
Let the cars pass. Stop breaking the law. Happy Pride! Happy Pride! Ain't no rain gonna stop us.
Hold on. Let me make sure my phone is okay.
Sorry. She better stop. Ain't no room, bitch. Move. The fuck? Look at the camera.
It's wet.
You got a napkin?
Big boy, see, I got you here. Nah, I don't got no more. Yeah, baby. Yes, baby. We wet, baby.
Come on, get into it. Get into it.
Like a red bull. She gon'
Poured on us.
Alright, Coco. Damn late. Bohey whole shit.
Bohey, yeah.
What's the name of it?
So lyrical? See? How the fuck you know about her? You told us to put it on, bitch, don't even dance.
Every time. Regular. Well, Mr. Muhammad, always you can't. You can't call you Muhammad. How much more pay? I wouldn't be racist. How much more pay? You watch out.
Liddy like a fucking titty, bitch. The sun has come out. The melanin is popping. Popcorn. That ain't corn. Oh, now y'all want to stop.
This is a genie in a bottle. You gotta make a wish.
You can. The rainbow is out, guys.
Pride Rainbow. Dedication to our day.
You already know. That's beautiful.
Oh, that is awesome. I said rainbow.
Who hit me that hard? Y'all get no money.
Ain't no fucking.
Okay.
How we get to that?
Just enjoying it. Yes, honey. There you go. How you doing? creamer.
We're gonna get.
Don't look crazy.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. All right, now, you're gonna do the basic step to the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left.
I see you.
Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stomps. Left foot, 2 stomps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left.
Come on, y'all dead blocking him. No, he can't do it. Excuse me.
The 25 ounces, up and down the 25 ounces. Fill up your body with 25 ounces. Down and down the 25 ounces. You can do the 25 ounces.
Johnny do me conny, Johnny do me conny. He's doing me this, he's doing me that, but I know what's in my me. He go Canada, he go Tokyo. Yesterday he say he dey Morocco, he dance this, he sing a reel. Na la 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 la, Pinocchio. It's what na go be. Original go be. Johnny give me voice, and I don't know what to do. I just say I don't know what to do. Like the way things are they do. Johnny give me to Bele. Just say you want marry and then you won't keep me there. Johnny go, I'm looking for my Johnny. Hey, Ayakata, where is my Johnny? Johnny go. Do you know Johnny? Question. If I know see my Johnny,
Yes. Let them things go. Oh, it's so beautiful. Woo! Happy fucking Pride, bitch. Happy Pride. Yeah, these are so beautiful.
That shit. That cheap shit they always put in this shit. That's Georgie. Nigga, they got Georgie. They get drunk all day. Fuck that.
That shit worth $1.50. And I dreamed of you every day. Now I build up my confidence and next time I throw my way. I know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? I said I wasn't doing anything special, but welcome to the Annie Show.
Oh, you're not with us.
Look at, I don't know who that is. That's
This thing.
That's mine. That's mine. With the black hat? Gina's right there. Which one?
yeah, I seen her. Relax.
I know that one with the black hat.
The small doo-doo looking one.
Which one? The littlest one in the fucking group.
Right
kid.
there.
With the braids, the hair. With the black hat. That's my shorty right there. Yeah, I've seen it before. The shelter I was in.
The shelter you was in?
Yeah, she was in there.
She was in that shelter?
Yeah. The same girl. What's the thing?
On what?
We got about this now. That was like, matter of fact, when we was going on Las Vegas. When I was looking at that shit. Yeah. Let's go.
You know what's so crazy? I see her best friend over there, and I'm like, stay around. I know that shit.
Record.
My headache just went free.
She's a cheap Haitian. That's why she can't find no fucking girlfriend. She be trying to go half on the 2 for $20 meal at Applebee's. Tell them the fucking truth.
Never. I never knew like that.
Yeah, we leaving. They said the pier is closed in 15 minutes. Plus, people looking for a fight, they keep walking back and forth. And, like, if niggas gonna fight, just fight.
Squabble.
What is y'all doing?
Squabble double.
Get it the fuck going. But we not here for that because, bitch, I'm a grown-ass woman. I'm over it. Yeah, none of that chopped cheese shit, man. I can't let a bitch get the get to me like that. So
The bitch that me look like
we out of here. If you see one fight, you seen them all. Ooh, stink like pee. Oh, in all these corners, everybody peed.
That ain't no lush. Fuck that. I ain't claiming that.
I ain't jacking it.
I ain't jacking none of this.
Them bitches peed. That same corner. Yeah, so my niggas is killing me, bitch. My knees, them. It's killing me. I'm motherfucking tired, boss.
Take a step to the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, two stomps. Left foot, two stomps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Two hops this time. Two hops this time. Right foot, two stomps. Left foot, two stomps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Get fucked with it. Yeah. Come on now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Five hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Freeze. Everybody clap